Concerns, and we're still in alert mode for you here at Storm Team 6 because the heavy rain will continue on the eastern side of the state, and we'll have to really keep an eye on the flooding potential. Even though the rain is coming to an end, flooding will be a concern in the coming days. And look at all the flood warnings we have across central Indiana. I'll take the counties off and show you the rivers, and basically all these outlines you see here in the green, those are rivers, and essentially all of them here are at flood stage, and these rivers will continue to rise even once the rain stops into the weekend. So we'll be talking about flooding into Saturday, Sunday, and potentially the beginning of next week as well. Here's what's currently happening on radar. Some pockets of moderate rainfall from Richmond to Winchester up towards the Muncie area. And then as we slide down to the south, some heavy rainfall just went through the Bedford area, extends into Seymour, North Vernon, over towards Greensburg. But as we slide to the north, it's light rain in Indianapolis to Noblesville to Anderson. But you notice off to the west, too, starting to see the rain come to an end as you work your way into Lafayette, Crawfordsville, and Monticello. So that is certainly good news, and this rain will continue to push eastward here throughout the afternoon hours as the area of low pressure, which has been an so slow mover, pushes off towards the east coast and brings them all the rain we've been dealing with heading into the weekend. So on TrueCast, you see the bulk of the steady rainfall is done by about 6, 7 o'clock. We'll still have some scattered showers around, no doubt about that, and some patchy drizzle, but at least that steady rainfall will come to an end briefly throughout the overnight hours, because as we head into Saturday, look at this, some additional showers start to make their way into the area. So this is additional rainfall on top of what we've seen so far. Not much on the western side of the state. Could pick up another ½ an inch to maybe a little bit more off towards the east, and that should be just about it. In Bloomington right now, lots of clouds, some drizzle. Not the best day tomorrow for commencement down there. 47 degrees is the current temperature. The wind out of the north at 18 miles per hour. So it's breezy. That's making it feel even a bit cooler than it actually is. As we go throughout the afternoon hours, we'll still dodge the showers. Eventually, they'll diminish once the sun sets, with temperatures falling back down into the 40s. Now, if you're running the Mini tomorrow morning, it'll be cold. It'll still be breezy, and we'll keep an eye out for those spotty showers with temperatures that will be in the 40s. So those temperatures are actually pretty good for running. The problem is going to be those spotty showers. And again, it's not going to be a rain like we just went through. And you notice the coverage of the showers tomorrow morning aren't all that great. Hopefully, we can keep them maybe off to the east of downtown Indianapolis for all the runners that are going through the track and also the streets on the west side of town. And then as we head into the evening hours, still a few spotty showers will remain. So tomorrow, not a great day. It's just not as wet as it has been the past two. Sunday is when we get the sunshine back at 60 degrees, and then we finally get the 70s back, Amanda, as we head into next week, and we'll have a nice dry stretch of weather, at least for 3 days, Sunday through Tuesday.